How to find hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can find hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do it. So in order to do that, you may just directly head over to the main settings of the device. After that, you're going to look out for the option called connections here. So here, you just need to head over to the connections. Or you may directly swipe down your navigation bar. After that, you're going to look out for the hotspot settings here. Just long press on hotspot and you will be taken to the same page. Here, we are going to the settings and looking out for the option called mobile hotspot and tethering. Just look out and tap on it. After tapping on it, you're going to turn on the mobile hotspot. And you need to turn off your Wi-Fi in order to do that. After it is turned on, just go ahead and tap on mobile hotspot and there you go, you can successfully find your password under your network name provided by your mobile. So what you're going to do is share this password with other and then you will be able to connect the mobile hotspot of your device with other people. Or you can directly go ahead and look out for the QR code as well. You may just directly go ahead and look out for the QR code and the mobile hotspot will be connected. So that's how you find mobile hotspot password on your Samsung Galaxy device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you.